Purr, dreaming of giant salmon and endless catnip fields. What's that tickle? A rogue dust bunny? A tiny invisible nose-tickling pixie? Oh no! Oh dear! It's coming! The tingle! The big one! Brace for impact, internal organs! This isn't going to be pretty or quiet! Ah! Choomp! What in the blazes was that? An earthquake? Did a truck just drive through the living room? Woof, woof! Intruder! Giant noise monster! Squawk! The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Meow! Well, that certainly cleared my sinuses, and possibly the immediate neighborhood. What on earth could have made that noise? Everything seems mostly normal. Mew, gruff. Ha ha, amateurs. They'll never suspect the sheer raw power contained within this adorable fluffy exterior. Now, about that giant salmon dream. Sniffle. Oh dear, here we go again.